आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello students, the question is, in the given reaction sequence, that is this, we need to tell what is the product B. Okay, so your option A is acetic acid, B oxalic acid, C pyruvic acid and D citric acid. So now let's see, let's proceed with the reaction. The first is we are treating CH3CHO. That means we are treating this CH3, C double bond O, H, that is this acetaldehyde. We are treating this with NaCN in presence of HCl. Okay, this is the first step, and then in the second we are treating it with H3 positive. So let's do the first step first. Okay, that is NaCN. We know that NaCN is going to break into Na plus and Cn minus, right? So here we know that Cn minus is what? It is a nucleophile, and we know that nucleophile will going to attack on the electrophilic center. Here this carbonyl carbon is an electrophilic center. Why? Because it has a partial positive charge, and oxygen being an electronegative, it is pulling electrons away from the carbon. That's why this carbon will get a partial positive charge and oxygen will get a partial negative charge. So now what will happen? This nucleophile will go and attack on this carbonyl carbon, and this bond will break towards oxygen like this, and you will get this structure CH3CO minus. Okay, here O minus, H, and your CN. Here it is Cn. Let me write this structure again. Okay, let me write this structure here. CH3CO minus, H and Cn. You will get a Cn here. Okay, now in the next step what will happen, because here acid is already present, HCl, we know that it is going to give what? H plus ions, right? So what O minus will do, it will take this H plus and you will get the final reagent, the final product A that you will get here will be this CH3COH, your Cn and hydrogen. So this is the product. Now this was the first step. Now in the second step we are treating it with H3O positive, right? So now let me write this product again. Here we got, here by treating it the acetaldehyde with NaCN and HCl, we got this compound COH, Cn and hydrogen. Now we are treating it with H3O positive, and we know that what does H3O positive means? It means we are doing acidic hydrolysis. We are doing hydrolysis here. Okay, acidic hydrolysis. So what will happen, and we know that whenever we do the hydrolysis of cyanide group Cn, it gets converted into, okay, so here this Cn group gets converted into acid. So what we will get? We will get CH3COH, H and COOH. So this is your product A. Okay, now we have to treat our product A with Fenton reagent. Okay, so first of all we should know what is Fenton reagent. Fenton reagent is nothing but your Fe2 plus. Fenton reagent is nothing but your ferrous salt, okay, with hydrogen peroxide. Okay, ferrous salt could be in any form. That is your FeSO4, let's say ferrous sulfate. Okay, Fe2 plus basically salt will be there with hydrogen peroxide. So that is your Fenton reagent, and what it will do? It will do the oxidation of the hydroxyl group present on the carbon next to carboxylic group. It will do what? It will do oxidation of, you can say it will do the oxidation of alpha hydroxyl group. Okay, here this is your COH and this is your alpha carbon because it is directly attached to carbonyl carbon, right? So here this is your alpha carbon, on this hydroxyl group is present. So this will undergo oxidation. So oxidation, this is a secondary alcohol, right? Because this hydroxyl is attached to a carbon which is further attached to two carbons. So on oxidation it will give us, secondary alcohol gives us ketone. So thus we will get CH3 C double bond O COOH as our final product. B is known as pyruvic acid. This final product is known as pyruvic acid. Okay, so thus if you see the options, acetic acid, acid, the formula of acetic acid is CH3COOH. So our acetic acid is not forming here, pyruvic acid is forming, right? CH3C double bond OCOH. So thus this is incorrect. Pyruvic acid is forming, yes. So your option C is correct. Oxalic acid formula is this. You should know the structure of oxalic acid, COOH and COH. So this is not forming, incorrect. Now citric acid formula, let me write this formula for you here. The formula of citric acid is this. We have a COH, we have a CH2 group here, to which COH group is attached. Right, this is a CH2 and COH. To this CH2, we have a carbon to which a hydroxyl group is attached. Okay, and another COOH group is attached. Now similarly, another CH2 is there. Okay, CH2, and to this CH2, another COH group is attached. So this is the formula of citric acid. So is it forming here? No, pyruvic acid is forming, right? So thus D is also incorrect. The correct answer is C, pyruvic acid. Alright, I hope you understood. Thank you so much.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT जेई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।